Hey guys, it's Blue Shadow Cat here. Welcome to another video. So, this is a different type of video, but I am going to be doing them when I receive the figures that I need to do these videos, but this is basically just going to be toy reviews on this type of toy, I guess you could say. Yeah. So, some of you might already probably have figured out what I'm going to be reviewing. If you know me personally, yep. If you know me on the internet or on YouTube, like some of my YouTube friends, then yeah, you probably have no idea. But when I say personally, I mean my friends and family. So I'll show you. I'm going to be reviewing. I think this is pronounced Skletch. I'm not positive. Correct me in the comments if I'm wrong, but yeah. So, I need to let this thing stand. No, Cookie, I'm recording. Oh, yeah. Sorry about that, guys. So, I'm going to be reviewing this Skletch Leopard. I just received him in the mail. He came from New Hampshire, which is actually pretty close to my state in America. Yeah. Sorry, my nail chipped as well, as it always does. This one is usually chips first, but yeah. So he is brand new, I guess you could say out of the package, but typically these figures don't really come in packages. So it is a leopard. Oh, low storage, that's a problem. Okay, just got a sign on my phone. So yeah. So one thing I really like about this figure is that his spots are a lot smaller and, in my opinion, more accurate to the real life leopard. So I'll take this off at the end. Yeah. So here he is compared to the previous leopard figure. I've got so many of these guys up here. He's got as you can see, he has much smaller spots than the original one. So see, there's the original one, and he's also a more accurate color. He's also from Skletch, if you're wondering. It says somewhere on the bottom, if you guys can see. If this camera would focus. It says it, I promise, I'm not lying. If you guys want me to do a review on my Skletch / other company of animal figures collection, I'd be happy to. It's actually one of my things on my shelf, so tell me in the comments if you want me to do that. So yeah, my camera won't focus today, I'm really sorry. Yes, there we go. So you can see that he's a much more accurate color than the previous one, which I find this I find a little bit strange. The previous figure came with a cub. But the cub is a much lighter color, and this is the same way in real life as it is on the camera. Sometimes it does that weird thing. But yeah, so as you can see, he's a much different color than his mother, but he's more, I feel like, except for his spots, he's more accurate. His color is more accurate to this leopard than this leopard. Yeah, and this was also the older cub. So I did not order the newer cub yet. I'm probably going to be doing that. And then here he is compared to the Jaguar, however you guys like to pronounce it. I pronounce it Jaguar, but for the sake of people, I will say Jaguar. That's how most American people say it. Yeah, but Jaguar was the original name, I believe, so yeah. So as you can see, I know that he is a leopard, not only because that was what the thing said when I ordered him, and also what it says when you buy him in the store, but also because Jaguars have, this is going to be awkward saying Jaguar, I'm sorry. Jaguars have little dots inside their spots, as you can see that, and that is accurate to real life as well. And as cheetahs, I'm not going to show my cheetah figure, but cheetahs just have dots, and they've also got that thing that goes in their eyes to help them with the sun. I know a lot about wildlife, I'm sorry. Yeah, so, oh my god, the Jaguar, sorry. I also have the Jaguar cub up there. I think I have 2 of each cub right now, so, except for the lion cub. I'll probably do a collection review, just to tell you guys. So, yeah, so that's him compared to the Jaguar. Again, the Jaguar, I think, is a much more accurate color to real life, but this is more of the color of the leopard, so, I'm sorry, my phone is a little bit flimsy today because it's plugged into a charger, so let's just take this tag off. Okay, I'm gonna have to face this down. Everything's white now. Oh my god, these things are always I got it! Success! Success, I got the tag off. So here he is, completely without the tag. Here's everything here. So yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you want to see more, or you want to see like a collection review, sorry my bracelet's in the way again, then please leave that in the comments, and oh crap, and I will do one. So thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Full round of this guy. Bye!